Good luck, players. A-plus Coffee Corner versus Shark Concept. Let's play. Tip off, bonus Shark. 2, Abel to Mr. Veras. Veras, wala. 2 points, Mr. Ramirez. 2 points, wala. Rebound, Mr. Abel. Abel to Mahor. Mahor, straight. Pass to Ramirez, back to Mahor. 2 points, Mr. Mahor. Enorio for 2 points. Perfect. Oh, Mr. Blanco. Second throw, Mahor for 2. Rebound, Enorio. Pass to Mr. Suarez for 2 points. Ramirez, pass to Mr. Veras. Veras with a ball. 2 points, Mr. Mahor to Ramirez. Ramirez, wide open. 1, 2, 3. Enorio, blind pass to Mr. Suarez. Suarez pass to Mr. Enorio for 2 points. 3, 1 left. Rebound, Mr. Amer for 2 points. Mr. Amer. Enorio with a steal. Enorio with a cross. Enorio with a foul. Is Mr. Enorio. Mr. Herman, pass to Mr. Mahor with the turnaround. Masama, Mr. Mahor for 2. Fajardo for 2 points. Oh, rebound back. That's for 3. 3, wala. Fajardo, wala. Nahigo si Mr. Fajardo. Pass to Mr. Ramirez. Easy. 2. Enorio with a cross. Enorio for 2 points. That's Mahor for the three. Rebound, Ramirez for 2 points. First throw. Unwanted as Wallace. 2 points, Mr. Veras for 2 points. Almonte with an arrow. Ramirez, quick pass. 2 points, Mr. EJ. Canoy. Enorio, back to Enorio for 2 points, Mr. Almonte, Abitawan. To Fajardo to Almonte. 1, 2, 3. 11 seconds remaining. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1 left. Ozaraga. 2 points, Mr. Talaba will power move the bintang bola. Ozaraga, wala kalaban-laban, Mr. Ozaraga. To Mr. Almonte to Blanco for 3. 1, 2, 3. Pilares, steal by Blanco. Enorio, wala ka tao. Mr. Enorio for 2 points. Pilares, muntik ng pastil. Ozaraga, pass to Kimana. Enter to Enorio. Oy, pumawi din si Mr. Enorio. Pillare pass to Ozaraga, magkasama pang foul. Ozaraga fade, no good, rebound Pillare fading away with a 2 points. Flores to Pillare, turn around James. Rebound, Mr. Calamba. Pass to Blanco. Blanco floats. Blanco 2 points. 29, Labao 20. Hilary with an easy 2 points. No good. Suarez with a rebound. Suarez. Muntik mabitawan. Suarez. Suarez. Counts it. With a rebound and Almonte for 3. No good. Calamba with a 2 points. Mr. Calamba. Idol Gomora. Inorio. Inorio ng ball of the leg. Inorio for 2 points. Mr. Blanco intercepted the ball. Blanco. Blanco pass to Inorio. Wide open 2. Uno. Dos. Otto Inorio. Inorio for 3. Wala. Rebound. Mr. Calamba. Calamba for 2 points. Calamba to Blanco. Blanco, easy, 2 points. Mr. Mahal with the turn. Mahal to Viña. Viña for 3. Uno, dos. Blanco to Calamba again. Calamba for 2 points. Sedela. Counter, Mr. Mahal for 3. Wala, rebound, Amer, wala pa rin. Foul move, Amer for 2 points. Inorio sidestepping. Inorio for 2 points. Foul, counted by Mr. E. Inorio for 2. Wide open 2 points by Mr. Viña. Viña for 2 points. Seconds to 2. Foul and 1. Mr. Calamba. Mr. Inorio the ball of the net. Inorio turn around, Jay on a board by Mr. Hilary. Blanco Almonte for 3. Uno, dos. Sacela step back. Sacela to Canoy for 2. Canoy, 2 points. 4, 3, 2, 1. Counted by Mr. Calamba. Hilary, 2 points, Mr. Hilary. Blanco to Almonte, 2 points, Mr. Julius. Shout out also to our photography, Virgo Photography. Thank you so much, sir. Suarez for 2 points. Inorio steal by Mr. Ramirez, steal by Suarez. Suarez, 2 points, Mr. Suarez. Blanco Almonte for 2. Almonte. Ramirez back to Sacela. Sacela to Mahal for 3. Uno, dos, tres. Blanco Flores to Ramirez. Ramirez open 2 points, Mr. Ramirez. Flores for 2. Flores, 2 points. Suarez with a 3-point. 10 seconds to shoot. Hilary pass to Ramirez. Ramirez, what again? Ramirez again. Ramirez for rebound. Suarez Suarez for two. Mr. Sen Suarez. Blanco. Blanco to Calamba. Calamba. What a move by Mr. Calamba. Pilare. Pilare wala. Pilare again. Pilare for two. Oh, I don't know. Almonte for three. Uno. Dos. Tres. For three. One shot. Pilare. Pilare lumipad. Uy, Mr. Pilare. What a move by Mr. Ramirez. Three points, Mr. Sas. Side seven move by Mr. Sasera. Sasera to Lazaga. Ognimaga for two points. Blanco, Magic, 2 points. Blanco for 2 points. Almonte for 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 points by Mr. 1. Game ball. And the game between April's Coffee Corner against Charge Concept. Winner.